The following portion of Studio 512 is sponsored by Austin Telco Federal Credit Union. It is a brand new start to a brand new year. Do you want to create some financial goals for 2026? Pamela Cotton, Vice President of Member Services at Austin Telco Federal Credit Union, is here with some tips for success for us. So Pam, first of all, why are financial resolutions so important?
That's a great question, Rosie, because financial resolutions or goals, whichever you refer to, is so important. You're going to start talking about long-term wealth, how you're going to build your wealth over time. And then you want to track your progress. So manage what you're doing in saving your money as well. And then when you're saving money, you're going to improve your financial situation because you're looking at things that you want to do, like paying off debt, things like that. So it's going to put you in a great financial situation. And then when you're in that great situation, not worried about things, you're going to reduce that financial stress as well.
And I know that some financial stress might have gone up around the holidays. Maybe we shopped a little bit too much. So of course we want a fresh start on the year, and giving it our best. So what are some of the most common financial resolutions that you tend to hear?
Yeah, so the biggest thing, and I think the most important, is to create a budget. We talk about that all the time. Yeah. That's the most important thing. And if you've already started with a budget, now's the perfect time to review it, evaluate some things. Maybe your job changed, you got a raise, things like that. So you want to look at those situations and determine what you need to do in that budget. Invest in retirement. It's never too early, it's never too late. So you always want to start now. Start at the beginning of the year, it's the perfect time. And then debt, it's so important to not have too much debt. It's okay to have some, but pay it down, pay it off. That's going to put you in a great situation. It improves your credit score when you have lower debt.
Subscriptions, y'all. Check those subscriptions because you might be losing money.
So many that you don't need.
Yeah. Well, that's why looking over the budget is so important. Okay,
Absolutely.
What are some helpful tips that you would give folks to help them achieve their resolutions?
Yeah, so you want to set goals, first of all, and then small and large goals. So start small, because that way you can celebrate the little successes, and that'll put you in the position to get those larger goals in line. So definitely want to set the goals, track your progress, see where you are. So we say create a plan with a timeline. Track it. Did you overshoot? Do you need to step back a little bit? But you always want to track that progress because you want to set yourself up for success, right? And then celebrate along the way. When you're doing those great things, like you wanted to save a little bit, you did it, celebrate and continue to do that. Stay on track.
Some really great tips today, Pam. Thank you so much and Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
To learn more about all of the services Austin Telco Federal Credit Union has to offer, visit atfcu.org. The preceding portion of Studio 512 was sponsored by Austin Telco Federal Credit Union.